Good morning from finest Laya. Today for breakfast I am making eggplant omelette. These are the long eggplants and I have 3 eggs here. So join me and let's get cooking. So we're going to fry this softened before we add our eggs. Right there. Let's do it. Olive oil for frying the eggplants. A little bit of salt. Set it aside, waiting for the eggplants to be done, and then we will continue with the process. Continue frying. I like fruits to be added to my meal, so I'm gonna cut this cantaloupe and add it to our breakfast this morning. It looks very nice, so fresh. Our eggplant is ready. Take it off. I still have one eggplant to cook. Right here. Repeat the process. The eggplants are cooked, so now we're going to continue with the process of making this Filipino omelette, eggplant omelette. So you soak this eggplant like this, so you will get as much of the eggs as possible, like that. And then we'll put it on the hot pan. Put in our other one. Like that. Cook. I'm going to add a little bit of the eggs like this to coat the eggplant. Cooking nicely. Separate a little bit like that. And then let us turn turn it over. Yummy breakfast. On the plate. Yes. Oh wow! Look at that. And I still have one more in here to cook.